Gardening has been shown to improve your health. The CDC says that 2.5 hours of gardening a week is great for strengthening your muscles and burning calories. Research shows gardening can also improve your mental health. Plus, it has many other health benefits like reducing stress and depression. Create one or a combination of the 3 types of healing garden projects this year and easily turn your garden into a peaceful, wondrous sanctuary. There are 3 types of wonderful healing gardens to help you relax and heal. The first is a water garden. Water gardens are a popular option for people looking for tranquility. They come in different sizes, ranging from a small, indoor pot to a barrel to a backyard pond. When deciding on foliage, consider floating plants, like duckweed, plants that require soil underwater, like water lilies, and bog plants, like cattails. These gardens require simple maintenance, and all the equipment you will need is at your local garden nursery. The peaceful sounds of the water should relax you in no time. The next type is an aromatic garden. The appearance of a garden is probably the first thing many people consider, but the aroma of a garden is just as important. Spending time in a fragrant garden is a great way to calm your nerves. Which fragrant plants should you consider planting? The scent of basil is said to awaken and stimulate the brain, while lavender is said to relax an individual. Rosemary and spearmint can be a natural pain reliever, and lemongrass can help lift your mood. The last type of healing garden is an herb garden. An herb garden is a great way to boost your health and ensure that your meals are extra tasty. The American Institute for Cancer Research says that garlic can destroy cancer cells. Oregano has high levels of antioxidants. Thyme helps with fatigue and depression. Parsley ensures your immune system stays healthy. And cilantro has beneficial properties like high levels of iron, magnesium, and fiber. With these herbs, you'll be able to improve your health with every delicious bite. Become your best you and discover more about this and other topics. Visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.